I'm Polly Beth, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'd like to address a question from you. How do I get my 6th graders to engage in group activities when they are so screen dependent? This is a really good one. And I have went into more and more classrooms lately where we are seeing kids who have the computer on their desk, the laptop, and they're all assigned one now, which makes sense. Their textbooks are there, the research is there, they're doing all their writing projects on there. But here's where I think we could do a better job. I think we have to be very purposeful and intentional about saying to our kids, okay, I'm going to give the directions, but they usually always have their computer on their desk and the screen is up. I've come to this place where I now say to kids, screen down, I'm going to give directions. And they most always will say, I'm listening, and they're looking above the screen. But I don't think that's good enough. I think we have to say, lower the screen down, and I'm going to give directions. So you're going to change the physical environment that in some ways will change the way they listen to you without glancing at the screen. See, the screen is part of their life, but we have to teach them when to close it and when to open it. So just be more intentional about that. And I want to share that from an adult point of view. When I'm at a conference table and there'll be one person taking notes, that totally makes sense to me. But oftentimes I'm at that conference table with 3 or 4, computers that are open, and I find myself talking to people and they're distracted. They're looking at that email that just popped up, or that something that's here, or they have their phone out at the same time and they'll answer a quick thing while we're in a meeting. And I think we need to work harder at that ourselves. And so let's do 2 things. Let's work harder at that ourselves and actually be in the moment with people when we're having a conversation, and teach our kids how to do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, put those in the comments below.